let's show you how to use the Color Codes app and the Blockly app with our new robot, Ari. The Color Codes app will be used with the Color Codes track that your students created with markers or got from our lesson library at Ozobot Classroom. A color code is a short sequence of 2 to 4 colors of green, blue, red, and black. Based on these inputs, Ari responds with pre-programmed actions, such as speeding up, spinning around, or turning at an intersection. Teaching your students color codes with Ari is a great way to develop introductory coding skills in a fun and interactive way. Ari's Ozobot Blockly app works in conjunction with the Ozobot Editor, our block-based editor that allows you to create visual programs. These programs are created using blocks that can be selected, dragged, dropped, and connected together like puzzle pieces. Students can make Ari move, light up, navigate lines, perform math functions, create algorithms, and get readings from Ari's sensors. Using the Ozobot Editor, students will learn essential coding concepts through programming Ari's actions. Students can seamlessly send their programs to Ari via Wi-Fi and watch their bot in action. The Ozobot Editor is our newest programming tool that allows students to program Evo, Ari, and Aura bots using block programming or Python. It also allows the user to program multiple bots so that they can interact with each other in real time. Ari and Evo can compete in a maze race, or Aura can pick up and transport Evo across a track. Whether your students are running a Color Codes program or an Ozobot Blockly program, Ari will display animations on the screen that reflect its behavior and personality, such as showing a snail when it moves at a super slow speed and throwing on sunglasses to perform a backwalk move.